Happy New Year, image design students. This is Mrs. Giroux, and this is your plan to pass. So just imagine you don't have any points. You're going to go into grades, and I just want you to be aware of what needs to be done. So for this plan to pass, I'm going to have you work on tests and critique quizzes, and I'm going to have you skip assignments for now, okay? So focusing on that, we'll have in week 1 an orientation quiz and a test. In week 2, we'll have a test and a critique. In week 3, we'll have another test and we'll skip the assignment. In week 4, we'll have a critique quiz. In week 5, there will be a test. In week 6, skip that assignment. Week 7, there's a test. Week 7, skip the assignment, and week 8, there's a critique quiz, okay? We're in week 9 right now, so this is going to be our makeup week, and the next week is finals. So the plan here is to go through and work on all of the tests and quizzes. There are only 4 assignments, so the majority of the points in the class do come from tests and quizzes. Where do you find that? You'll go into the content, and the very first thing you'll want to do is click on the orientation recording and quiz. So this is the recording, but before you open the recording, go ahead and right click on that and open the quiz in a new window. Then you can have that quiz open and watch the video, pausing it as necessary as you go through the questions on the quiz. They go in the same order. So you'll be able to read the question, watch a little bit of the video, get the answer the question on the quiz. So find all of the answers on the quizzes in the material provided. Don't guess. That way you can get perfect score. And if you get perfect scores on all of your tests and quizzes, who knows, without your assignments, you may already be passing the class. This is just my schedule, my contact information. Let's go to week 1. So click on that folder, and then you'll notice that there's a week 1 lesson and test subfolder. So just click on that, and then it opens it up. So it has directions for downloading GIMP. Now remember, GIMP is only going to be used on the assignments. So you're going to skip assignments for right now and just go through and do the lessons and tests, right? You can come back and download GIMP and do the assignments later if you still need some points. So, directions. Watch the videos and immerse yourself into the artistic space. So here's the videos right here. There's a couple of them. And then it says to right click on the week 1 test and open it in a new window. So that's where we do this, open that in a new window. Then it says to open the lesson, learn the GIMP toolbox. So here's the lesson, learn the GIMP toolbox, right? So you're just gonna click on that. So you've got your test open in one window, and now you're gonna start working through the lessons. So as you go through the test, read each question, then go back to the lessons and find the answers. They go in the same order, okay? So as you're doing the test, you'll be reading the lesson in order and finding the answers. You can get a perfect score if you do it that way instead of guessing. Plus, you'll learn what you're supposed to learn for the class, right? So complete the test while you read and watch the lessons, and once you submit the test, read the feedback on each test question, because sometimes I put some feedback in there just to extend your learning a little bit more. Or if you get it wrong, I might give you some information that'll help you to find the correct answer. So we'll skip this week 1 assignment for now, but if you do get to a point where you decide, I've got all my lessons and tests done and I still have some time left and I'd like to do some assignments, then you can go ahead and go in, download your GIMP, and just read the directions to do the assignments. They're really fun. Week 2, there's a lesson and test, so click on that. And then you'll just read those directions, follow the directions. There's a test, and you're going to watch these videos in order as you do the test and answer the questions. Remember, the tests go in the same order as the videos. So here's a week 2 critique. Click on that. And that gives you a video and a quiz. So you right click, open your quiz in a new window, and watch the video, pausing, rewinding, and rewatching as necessary in order to find the correct answers. Week 3, there's a lesson and test. So there we go again. There's a video on color theory. This is to enjoy the video. and then right-click on that test, open it in a new window, and complete the lessons as you take the test at the same time. Skip that assignment for now, right? Week 4 has a critique, so go ahead and click on that, and you'll have a quiz that you'll open in a new window. And this week isn't a video, it's just a slideshow that you're going to use to refer to answer the questions on the quiz. Week 5 has a lesson and test. Click on that. Okay, it says right-click on the test, open it in a new window, and then take the quiz as you watch the videos. Remember, they do go in the same order, so watch the videos in the order and take the quiz at the same time answering the questions. Week 6, skip that assignment for now, right? Week 7, there's a lesson and test, so go ahead and take that test as you do those lessons. Skip the assignment for now. Week 8, there's a critique, so do that critique. There's quiz, right-click, open, and watch the video and take the quiz at the same time. And week 9's makeup, right? And then next week is finals. So if you sit down this week, I guarantee you can get all of those quizzes and tests done, and maybe your grade will be up to passing. If it's not, you can go back and try doing some assignments. Otherwise, you can try your luck at the final next week, and that will help to bring your grade up too. Thank you.